Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by elevating command prompt. That gives you the rights to change network settings. Once done, list interfaces with Netch interface, show interface so you know the exact adapter name to target. Make sure to close apps that depend on the network. Restoring services may drop connections. You will use specific commands that require administrator privileges, so do this first to avoid permission errors. Having the interface name upfront prevents typos in subsequent commands and speeds the fix. Now perform the core resets that fix most software-level networking issues. Run netch int IP reset to rewrite TCP/IP registry keys. That undoes corruption. Next, flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons to clear stale name records, then ipconfig/renew to request a fresh lease from DHCP. Finish this stage with netch winsock reset to restore the Windows sockets catalog. This fixes broken protocol handlers. Make sure no VPN or firewall tools are active. Finally, verify connectivity and isolate remaining problems. Ping an IP such as 8 to confirm basic routing, then ping a hostname to verify DNS resolution. Use route print to inspect default gateway entries, and toggle the adapter with Netch interface, set interface, your adapter admin equals disabled then enabled to reinitialize it. If issues persist, restart your router and test another device to rule out ISP problems. Key troubleshooting tip: update or roll back the network driver in Device Manager before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.